Hello everyone, and welcome to the Nova Armada channel to my loyal subscribers and my future subscribers. Today's aircraft is the unusual Southwest Airlines Boeing 727-227 in Southwest 1970s era Gold Desert livery. This aircraft was powered by three Pratt Whitney JT8D series low bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 15,000 pounds force or 67 kilonewtons at full power. The exit limit for this aircraft is 189 people, but in a normal two-class layout, this aircraft can nominally carry 134 people. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 515 knots or 953 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 1,900 nautical miles or 3,500 kilometers, with a standard load on board. This 727 has had a long and varied career beginning in 1975 with Braniff International Airways, wearing the two-tone orange flying colors livery from Braniff's 1970s livery collection. The aircraft's first registration was November 439er Bravo November. In late 1983, the aircraft was purchased by People Express and briefly flew for them using their beige livery, before later in 1983 being leased by Southwest Airlines as one of the few airplanes in Southwest Airlines fleet that wasn't or isn't a Boeing 737. Southwest flew this aircraft in the 1970s Desert Gold livery. During this period of time, the aircraft was registered as November 564 Papa Echo. Once Southwest Airlines was able to acquire enough Boeing 737s, the aircraft was leased by People Express to Continental Airlines for their use in Continental's red meatball livery. This lease became an outright purchase when People Express was merged into Continental Airlines in 1987. A year later, in 1988, the aircraft was leased to Pan American and named Clipper Messenger and repainted in Pan Am's final billboard livery. The aircraft was returned to Continental Airlines in 1990, re-registered as November 14760, and painted in Continental's final pre-merger livery. After 6 years, this aircraft was acquired in 1996 by Kelowna Flightcraft for use as an air charter aircraft in Canada. The aircraft was registered as Charlie-Golf Lima Kilo Foxtrot, and during its time with Kelowna had various liveries. Greyhound Air briefly leased the aircraft from Kelowna about a month later in 1996 for charter flights. The aircraft was returned to Kelowna and underwent a cargo conversion and flew with various liveries until the early 2000s. The aircraft was eventually flown to Hamilton, Ontario, Canada for storage and final scrapping in 2015. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Aero Classics version of this aircraft released in 2019. Our sources have this as the only production run of this aircraft by any other company or any other scale. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.